Everyone. I am Pratibha Sharma, Assistant Professor in Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center in Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today we are going to discuss Digital Image Processing Lab that is taught in third year, sixth semester. Now we are going to discuss our experiment number 2, that is to understand and implement program to obtain image histogram. So before implementing the program of image histogram, first we will understand what is histogram of an image. Histogram of an image, like other histograms, also shows the frequency, but it shows the frequency of pixel intensity values. So in an image, the x-axis shows the gray level intensities and the y-axis shows the count of these intensities. Here we can see that we are having an image of Einstein and we will show the histogram of the image. So as we can see that x-axis is having 0 to 255 intensity levels. As the image is 8-bit per pixel image, so the intensity levels will be 256, that is 0 to 255. And on the y-axis we will show the count of that particular intensity. So here in the diagram, in the histogram of the image, we can see that the first half part of the image is having higher frequency than the second half part. So we can say that, and the first half part is dedicated to darker portion, all the black image, and the second half portion is to uh, for the uh, brighter image, or we can say the white color, for the white color. So here we can see that for the histogram we can see that the image is more darker than the brighter. So in the image we can also see that the image is having more darker portion than the brighter portion. Application of the histogram. The first use of the histogram is discussed as the above discussed, the analysis of the image. We can predict the output of an image by just looking at its histogram. The second use of the histogram is for brightness purpose. Um Another important use of the histogram is to equalize an image. And the last but not the least, histogram has wide use of application in thresholding and also in computer vision. Here is the MATLAB code for the program, and here is the output of the program. Now I will run the program in MATLAB online platform. So we will see the output of the program. Here you can see that I have copied our code, MATLAB code, in the MATLAB online platform. And here we can see that the program is to generate histogram of an image. The percent sign is used to comment the line. As in C, we use hash sign to comment the single line. In MATLAB, we use percent sign to comment the single line. The clear all command is used to clear all the variables from the current workspace. CLC command is like CLR, SCR in the C, that clear all the text from the window, resulting clear screen. Close all command close all figures whose handles are visible. So the figures that are visible, the close all command closes all them. Next is imread command. Imread command, it is used to read a color or a grayscale image from the file specified by the string parameter passed into the command. And RGB to the gray command is used to convert the colored image into the grayscale image. Here A is the color image and O is the converted grayscale image. The imshow command is used to show the image. Title command is used to show the title of the image. And subplot command, the subplot command divides the figure into m by n grid. Here we can see the subplot command is having three parameters, m, n, and p. So subplot command divide the figure window into 1 by 2 matrix and creates axis in the position specified p. Though so it will the subplot 1 to 1 will divide the figure window into 1 by 2 matrix and create axis from 1. So I am going to run the program and we will see the output of the program. Sorry. I am going to run the program. Here is the output of the program. Here is the grayscale image monalisa.jpg. Monalisa.jpg we are already having in our current directory, and it is showing the image and the histogram of the image. So it is all about the program to generate the histogram of an image. Thank you everyone.